Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can continue to maintain right up here around $5.75. I say use the word continue very deliberately. When you look closely, you can see that on many occasions today, the price got right around $5.75, and the bulls did a great job of kind of solidifying that as support. With that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $5.75, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would certainly make the chart look the most attractive going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon of things, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yes, preferably staying above 575 would be great, but grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? For this one, I'm actually just going to create kind of a little resistance zone. First part, the zone starting there at $6.15. Let's get this to $6.15. There we go. And then after $6.15, kind of the back half of the zone right up there from those previous highs at $6.30. So essentially a little 15-cent resistance zone is what I would keep an eye on going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice movement today. And as long as the price starts building higher bases over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking through those levels of resistance. So one step at a time, just keep building higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.